Can you not hear me? For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
Does anybody know how I feel? Sometimes I'm numb, sometimes I'm overcome. Does anybody care what's going on? Do I have to wear my scars like a badge on my arm for you to see me? I need release. Do I have to scream for you to hear me? Do I have to bleed for you to see me? 'Cause I agree you're not listening to me. Do I need to scream? Has anybody seen what's been done? Where was my defense? No one heard my protest. The eyes of God were watching